Chairman ka Regional Committee na West Khasi Hills District uba Renikton el Tongkhar ulayathu baga jingthmu ka jong kalong bahau Bnai Naiwieng mentau snem kane ka committee kan sa Pyndep bar kan sa Tino sya ka sarkar jilla Iaka Khappud ka bapura halor ka jing bisar bania Iaka mat upod usam hapdeng ka jilla Assam bad Meghalaya ka regional committee ka dei ka wei na ki committee ka bala thau ka sarkar jilla ban penya syakmat ye ka jingthmu ban penbet yu upod usam hapdeng ka jilla Assam bad ka jilla Meghalaya Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang ba Renikton el Tongkhar uloong ba na kaliang ka committee na West Khasi Hills District kaladap banli Jurip lang hapadang ki nongmi khmat na ka sarkar Assam ba na ka sarkar Meghalaya ya ki kattu katni ki jaka ki bakentup ya ka hahim ka athiabari bat ki wei bat ya kani ka jingle Jurip lang on sapteng biang hadin ka puja Habakli halor ka jinglap ka jongki na katay ka jingle Jurip lang ya kitay kisnong ha Khappud menteri uloong ba umpat kwa banong AA halor katay ka benta henry katay ka jingle Jurip kalalong ka basayso uba Renikton ulayathu ru ba ya ka Khappud ka bapura na kaliang ka regional committee na West Khasi Hills kan sayale ban Pyndep ban Tino sya ka sarkar jilla na ka benta ban penbiang penbit ya ki kam ki jam ha ka bayadei ba ka jing yakran ban penbet yo pod usam hapdeng kine ki ar jilla
Fix yet I mean our from West Khasi Hills. We have not fixed because we will have a meeting among ourselves first. We have just came for inspection, so joint inspection we have done. So we will sit among ourselves first. It's okay. Maybe we are planning to do one second today. This month only. After Puja, most probably we will be able to go again for a joint inspection. Positive finding, but I will not tell you the inside. But very positive.
How many?
Yeah, we have visited this Hahim area and then Athiabari, Gizan, and then we will be sitting. Means in those areas also there are some villages which we have left. We will be completing in the next visit.
So you have,
Yes, we have done that.
so
I think this will keep us confidential for the time being. So you will come to know. Try to complete by November. Most probably we will be able to submit a report. That's my plan. So let's see. Otherwise, I want to submit the report by November itself to the government.